Let's go. What's up YouTube? So this is Daniel. So I'm here at Thunderhill Raceway in Willows, California. Here we're going to be drifting in a second. Setting up the track right now. Going to be doing some photography, so stay tuned. Yeah, a little bit better. So guess who I'm seeing this for the first time in person? That's pretty dope. Alright, so right now all the cars are lining up and we're going to do a test lap just to get familiar with the track. So, there's a lot of people here, probably more than 30 cars, 30, 45 cars, a lot of 240s.
Well, at least you got one right before I broke it.
Let's see the damage. You're back.
I've done that before.
Is it stuck?
Yeah. Something broke. Something's loose in the front.
My tire.
My hub. Fucking wheel hub.
What's up guys, sorry I wasn't able to do an outro video at the drift event. I was just so busy just getting pictures, videos, using my drone and stuff like that. I wasn't able to talk to the vlogging camera. So I just want to say thank you for coming along. Let me know in the comment section below if you like my GoPro first person point of view mounted on my camera. That was pretty dope. If you haven't checked it out, please watch my video. It's pretty tight. You guys are going to like it. And also, I'm going to pop up a teaser right here just so you guys can see what that video is about. So thank you guys for coming along. Please hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up. See you guys.